for me, I got a mirror, I got a skinny, I got a shine, I got lipstick, I got. Okay, so we're gonna open it. And it says, I got a mirror, I got a passcode, or you can open this up and you can put it back. So I got this for my eyeshadow. This is cool. Guys, so we even have a lotion too. You can even open it with a dice. Look, it pretends it don't have any lotion. So let's start the video. This is my lip gloss, so you can put it in your thing. Your lip is gonna be very beautiful if you put it on. So cute. So I also got this. It's really cute. It's got the radio. You can also put it in your hand. And this is your eraser. And this is Peppa Pig. She can go with her in her bed, and she can also go in her chair. So I also got a doll that is cool, and it's pink. And I also got a bowl. It's very cute. It has beautiful things. And I also got another one that has scissors. And I also got this that opens and locks. So I don't know. So I got a pencil. It's pink. So my favorite color is pink. There, I like this. And I also got a key right here. And I also got a flower. It smells really good. And I also got cookies. I also got a pumpkin. And I got a mirror for Peppa Pig too. She is very cute. So I also got a bathtub. It's very beautiful. It's really cute. And I got this. So candy. Nina took me to the party, and I also got this from the party. It's very cute. I love the pinky. And I also got the butterfly car right in it. And I have a butterfly and you can drive and drive and drive. And I also got a chiffon, but it's not real pretend. Yeah. And I also got a whole buttercup, and I also got this, so it's for my hanging. Hey guys, thank you for having my YouTube channel. Thank you for everything, and bye. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget. Bye.